1937 Sport Scout. Taking a look at the front end of the bike here. Got the engine head horn face. It's an original moto lamp headlight, although it's been converted to use a sealed beam, so it's not using the reflector and the bulb on it. There's a little bit of brush marks from a strap or something at one time. Haven't tried polishing that out. Cloth covered wires with the cloth covering over that. Front end. Indian script mirrors, later model mirrors. The correct grips on it. Dampener assembly. Front wheels. Fender. And look up here at the handlebars and our bars. We have an original ammeter, replacement style ignition switch, gas tanks, original tanks. Everything looks really nice on the tanks. At the back here there is one mark on the tank, and I believe we do have some paint that we can touch that up with. The heads, we do have two broken fins here. You can see there's a few more broken fins. These early heads and cylinders are prone for breaking. The front head, we do have a broken fin. You can see one in the center there. Generator, the cutout, exhaust system, the crossover, the shifter for your transmission goes down in between, our chain guard, you have the correct style muffler with the cutout. Cutouts used for when you're starting the bike up. Well, originally, seat, black leather seat with fringe, kind of more fancier seat than what they would have. They would have had the one with no fringe on it. Correct mounting bracket for the seat. The rear fender is looking really nice. Going to the back of the bike, got our some dings. That's why they put fender tips on them. Works correctly, does hold the bike up properly. Stainless steel spokes. Serial number, and it is a matching numbers bike to the engine number. Has the correct side stand on it. The foot has been broken off, which is common for this bike. Has the later model air cleaner. I believe it does come with a box of parts. It has the smaller original style. Has original style fuel petcocks on it. In the 30s, the coil did mount underneath the gas tank there. Looking at the heads from this side, they're looking really nice. So it looks like all the fin damage was on the other side. Carburetor's model M341, so it's a later model carburetor instead of the early style Schebler carburetor, which allows it to perform better. And their generator, and the gas tank on this side. And now we'll start the motorcycle and pass it over to the cameraman. I'm not too familiar with starting this bike. I haven't started it much.
Sounds good. Here he comes. It's got the left-handed throttle.
Left-hand throttle, right-hand shift.
Right-hand shift.